Hiya!
Hello! Hi everyone! And welcome back to this channel. Today JP and I have paired up to review this fun Elmo's World game. Basically, this game allows moms to put their feet up and have a bit of a relax during the day, and this character, Elmo, will keep your child occupied. Wanna learn how? JP, look at this new game that we have. It's called Elmo's World Hide and Seek. Shall we play this? Yay! Yay! Okay, look. There's Elmo. Say hello, Elmo. We're gonna hide Elmo and you have to find him, okay? Teddy. JP, what's this?
Dada!
Teddy, right. And what's that? Laundry. Now Mommy is going to hide Elmo in some of these places. Okay, are you ready to find Elmo? Yay! Clappy clappy handies! Clappy clappy handies! Yay! JP, I'm going to hide Elmo near a chair. Can you say chair? Chair, yes. Mommy's going to turn on Elmo so we can find him because he talks to us. Okay, close your eyes. Don't look. Close your eyes. I'm going to hide him.
Double.
Yes, go like this. Don't look. Okay, close your eyes. You're clever. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Don't look. Don't look. I'm hiding Elmo. Good. Where is he? Where is he? Can you find him? He's near a chair, and listen for his voice. You found him, JP! You found him! JP, high five! Boom! Yeah! Yeah! You did it!
Yeah.
Okay, Mommy will hide it in another place. Now we're going to hide it in a box. Can you find Elmo, please? Where's Elmo? You found him! Yay! Clappy, clappy, handy! You found him! Yay! Did you find him? Clever! Clever boy! Yeah! You're so clever! You're so clever! This game is aged for children 1 to 4 years old, so it's perfect for JP, who has just turned 2. So this is how the game works. You put in batteries into Elmo, turn him on and hide him. He calls out to your child, and while your child is searching the house to find him, you sit back, relax, put your feet up, do an online yoga course, read a book, perhaps even cook dinner, whatever you want. And this keeps your child occupied in a safe environment. You can also use the cards to leave little clues for your child as to where Elmo may be hiding. It's actually really, really fun, and JP has loved it. And every time he finds Elmo, he gets like so excited because it's like an awesome reward. It's really, really a cute little game, and I must say I can see myself using this a lot because soon Jackie will be old enough to understand how to find Elmo, and I could keep both boys occupied for a while. So this month, basically, we've had a massive focus on Christmas because it is the month of Christmas. And I think that this would make an absolutely fantastic Christmas gift for a little toddler because it's like a gift for the mom and the baby. It is. So guys, I think this is really cute. Go check out their website. We'll leave all the details in the video description box below. And tell us if you've ever used this toy before because it's the first time I have ever used anything like this. And I think it is really clever. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned and we will see you soon with more awesome videos. Bye.